You alright?
Yep.
Nice hat.
Thank you. It's a little bit tight, but nice and warm.
Nice boat. Don't put that away. But, look, you've got to show people what that is now. They're going to think, what the hell's that?
No.
It's what is it? Where do the batteries go? Who's that coming? Ian. Ian. Where are you going? Where's your motorbike? Ian, where's your motorbike? What are you doing?
I'm going.
You've got something stuck up your arse.
I'm going.
No, you gotta wait. Well, go on in, see if I care. Go on, off you go. I'll get you paddling off, I'll catch you up. And if you don't see me catch you up, just wait a few minutes. Because I'm upside down.
Is that camera waterproof?
No, it's not, so don't piss on it or anything, will you? That's my warm legs. Warm legs.
My warm hands.
Yeah.
And my warm gloves.
Not like my hands are freezing cold. Go on in, off you go. I'll get at least someone paddling. I'm not going to film while I'm paddling. Can you not push me?
Your camera's got a lot of memory, hasn't it?
Yeah. Quite a few memories. This is Lee's first time out in this boat on moving water. Because all the other times it's been ice. Do you know what? You're useless. What are you doing? Go round the obstacles.
Just look at the speed.
I know. Now watch him go through that up there, if we can see. He's gone. He's going to go upside down and he's not going to be eligible for saving, is he? Because he's too far away. No, he's still there. He's all right. Go on in, off you go.
You're going to rescue him?
Yeah, go on in. Go on in, spaceman. Right, I'm out of here.